Alright, in C2 you've got electrolysis of sodium chloride. So if you break down the word electrolysis, electro, that has to do with electricity, and lysis, which you should have learnt in B3 and B4, means to break. Like if the cell has too much water, it breaks, or lysis, it explodes. So electrolysis is breaking a chemical down by passing an electric current through a liquid solution. So the example we have here is the liquid solution is sodium chloride. So you're basically breaking down sodium chloride. So using electricity. Now, what you learnt in circuits, you should know that the current always flows from positive to negative. So the positive side is known as the anode, and the negative side is known as the cathode. So you start at the anode and you end at the cathode. So as the electricity is passing through the anode, the positive side, the sodium chloride solution breaks down, and so sodium chloride, it's made of sodium and chlorine. You've got chlorine gas starts to form on the anode. So the electricity is passing here, the sodium chloride solution is breaking down, turning into chlorine gas, and as the current moves from positive to the negative side, you get hydrogen gas forming on the cathode. And as a result of that, you no longer have the sodium chloride solution by the time it gets to the cathode. It has now broken down into chlorine gas and hydrogen gas, and now it's also changed, and it turns into sodium hydroxide solution instead. So in every example for electrolysis, you're always going to have, in most cases, a liquid solution, and it's that liquid solution that allows the electric current to flow through, and that liquid solution also breaks down as the current is passing along. So in this sodium chloride example, sodium chloride is broken down. On the positive side, you've got chlorine gas forming, and then as the current moves towards the negative side, you've got hydrogen gas forming on the cathode, and that sodium chloride solution some of it is now turned into sodium hydroxide solution. And so that's basically it. So key things to note, you always have a liquid solution. You're moving from positive to negative, and know that anode and cathode. And this is the one specific example in C2 that you need to know for sodium chloride. So you need to know that chlorine gas on the anode, hydrogen gas on the cathode, sodium chloride solution to start, and you've got formation of sodium hydroxide. And that's it.